All right, guys, now on to our next one. We are going to do this chicken-filled little pocket pastry. So all I've done is I've chopped up some green onions. I've got some pre-cooked chicken. We're just gonna put that into the bowl. And of course, you're just gonna make enough filling for how much you need. So I'm gonna do half a cup of almost everything. So we're just gonna do—
That's easy.
Yeah, I know, half a cup of chicken, maybe a quarter cup of the green onions, half a cup of cheddar cheese. I did one whole jalapeno because we do love spice in this house. So we're just gonna throw that all in.
You didn't even seed it.
I didn't seed it because we like the spice. If you don't like it as spicy, take the seeds out. I'm gonna do about a half a cup of a cream cheese. This one is a very soft cream cheese. This is the Tricelli kind. I don't know.
Okay.
Tricel. It's a creamier.
Soft white cheese.
So it's, yeah, softer. I'm gonna do about, okay, we're gonna say a quarter cup sour cream. See, I'm changing. I'm pulling a Jackie. And then about a quarter cup of Miracle Whip. And so we're just gonna stick that in there. And then we're gonna do about, let's say, a teaspoon of garlic. And then you're just gonna take all of that and you're gonna mix it up really quick, you guys. And it's got the flavors of a jalapeno popper. So you can add some pre-cooked bacon to it if you'd like. But you're just gonna mix all
I'll
that
mix
up.
and you go on to the next.
Okay, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your pastry, you're gonna roll it out, you're gonna cut it into a square. So I've done probably about 3" by 3" square. And you're just gonna take those squares, separate them a little bit. You're gonna take a muffin pie tin and you're just gonna spray it because you just wanna put a little bit of spray just so they don't stick. They shouldn't, but they'll be okay. Once you've mixed your filling, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take that filling, you're gonna put a little dollop in the middle. So you're just gonna take it like that. And as I've showed before, our pastry, all you need for glue to pitch it together is a little bit of water. So I'm just gonna dip my finger and I'm just gonna go quickly along the edges of our pastry. So you can see that, you guys. Now you're gonna take those opposite corners, you're gonna take it up and you're gonna pinch it together. You're gonna take that other one, pinch it, and the last one, you're gonna pinch it. You're gonna take that pie tin, you're gonna take that little puff pastry that you put in, and now I just pinch those little corners closed. So you've got a little kind of pillow pocket in the center there. Show you one more time really quick. You're gonna take that square, you're gonna take that filling, gonna put that in the middle, wet your edges all the way around because you wanna create that glue, you guys. Just like that. You're gonna take opposite ends of those corners, pinch them together, take the other one, pinch it up, and you're just gonna pinch that top. You're gonna pop it into that pie tin, pinch those other two corners, and close it shut.
We bake it for how long?
So you're gonna put it into a 350 to 360 oven, and I would bake that for about 15 to 18 minutes until golden brown. Serve it warm, and you've got a fantastic appetizer.
Another way to use our Fifendekel pie pastry.
You betcha.